Hi guys, it's Lindsay. Oklahoma roads are extremely bumpy. Sorry if this video is shaky. But it's surgery day, and I had the bright idea a couple days ago to film my surgery and recovery in vlogs, like I do my partners in policy making videos. So that will be coming up soon. Arrival time is at 9, check-in time is at 9, surgery is at 11. They're doing a hiatal hernia repair and a partial fundiplication. The reasons I chose to get this surgery is, number one, I'm not sleeping at night. I was diagnosed with a large hiatal hernia in 2015, and it's gotten so bad to where I'm not sleeping at night. I'm not eating, other than when I felt like I was on a death row prisoner this week. So I had a bucket list of foods I had to eat before my surgery, because I'm going to be on a liquid diet for 6 weeks and a pureed soft food diet for 6 months. Oh, torture. Wish me luck, you guys. I'm nervous. I love you. Bye. Hi guys, it's Lindsay. It's February 24th, 2019, and surgery was 2 days ago on February 22nd, 2019. Surgery went extremely well. I am extremely thankful they did not have to do as much as they initially anticipated, so I should be able to eat foods a whole lot more quicker, hopefully. And I will be on a liquid food diet for like 10 days, and I have to follow up with my doctor in 10 days. I am just super excited to be going home. All my doctors and nurses were great. One of my nurses braided my hair for me. I think it's super cute and super adorable. And I'm so thankful that she did that, because if they would not and came and discharged me when they did, I would have gone berserk, because I was sitting here for like several. When you're just waiting to get discharged and be let go and sent home, it feels like you're waiting forever. And I was tired of waiting, so I was thankful to her that she braided my hair, because it allowed the time to go quicker. And I'm just so super happy to be headed home and to be in my own bed, because I'll be a lot more comfortable in my own bed. I love you guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, it's Lindsay. It's February 28th, 2019. Today is the best day I've had since surgery. I am currently hating my diet. If you guys are not aware, I am not allowed to have anything but liquids. So stuff like pudding, stuff like ice cream, which those are fun. I enjoy those. But I can have stuff like soups, but they have to be fully strained from a strainer. I'm not allowed to have any kind of contents of the soup. I'm just allowed to have the broth of the soup. And that's really annoying, because who wants to eat soup without all the good stuff that's contained into it? But I have found I like cream of chicken soup strained, because it tastes like gravy. Yes, it tastes like gravy. I go to my doctor on Tuesday to see him, and hopefully, I'm hoping that he'll put me on a soft food diet, because they did not have to do as much work as they anticipated, and I'm doing really well, so I'm hoping that he'll put me on a soft food diet, because I was supposed to be on a liquid food diet for 6 weeks, but I'm only on it for 10 days, which, trust me, I'm very thankful about that, but it's annoying. The pain has been unbelievable, but they have given me really good pain pills, really, really good pain pills, and I just am very thankful for that, because the pain has been unreal. I have 5 incisions on my belly area. This one incision is on my left side, and it's been driving me nuts. It hurts the worst. It drives me nuts. I am so thankful that they gave me really good pain pills, but the only annoying part about it is I'm only allowed to take one every 4 hours. But I got a shower today. I'm in really comfy clothes. I have this really nice blanket that my mom just bought that I stole from her on my legs. I have my dog right beside me. She's been right by my side throughout this whole thing, and I'm just really thankful. And I actually feel really good today, and I'm hoping that he'll clear me to go back to work next week, because I am hating the bed rest. I'm a very active person, and just having to be on bed rest and actually rest when you're a very active person and you like to get up and go do things, it's annoying. It's annoying. But I'll make it through. This is not the hardest thing I've ever been through. I've been through harder things. It's just really hard right now. But I'm trying my best to stay positive. I will see you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you. Bye. Hi guys, it's Lindsay. Today I'm here filming my 4-week post-op update. I have just hit 4 weeks. 4 weeks would have been on Saturday, and I'm doing very well. I went to my doctor and he released me from his care. I was currently on soft foods for 10 days, but now I'm on a full-blown diet. So I'm doing very, very well, and I'm very happy with the amount of progress I've made, and I have progressed a lot more quicker than they expected, because they thought I was going to be on a soft food diet for 6 months, and I was only on it for 10 days. So I'm very happy and very blessed to progress like I have. I have a long road ahead of me. I will be filming what foods I enjoyed on my liquid diet, what foods I enjoyed on my soft food diet, and what foods I enjoyed on my full-blown diet. I'm taking it extremely easy. They said things like cheese or like certain types of meat, you have to make sure you chew and chew and chew. I'm just so happy that I progressed like I have, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you. Bye.